The Dreametech W10 Robot Vacuum Cleaner and Mop, a smart device that claims to be the ultimate floor cleaning solution. It can sweep, mop, wash and dry your floors with its dual rotating mop pads and self-cleaning system. It also has a powerful suction of 4,000 pascals and a large dust canister of 15 fluid ounces. It can be controlled by an app or Amazon Alexa, and it has a LiDAR scanner to navigate your home efficiently. It has a battery life of up to 210 minutes. But how does it perform in real life? Let's find out. First, let's talk about the design and setup of the Dreametech W10. The device has a round shape and a sleek white color. It measures 13.8 inches in diameter and 3.7 inches in height. It weighs 8.8 pounds. It has a bumper on the front, a camera and a LiDAR scanner on the top, and a power button and a Wi-Fi indicator on the side. On the bottom, it has 2 wheels, 2 mop pads, a main brush, a side brush, and a water tank. The water tank has a capacity of 8.5 fluid ounces and can be filled with water or a mild cleaning solution. The device comes with a charging dock, a power adapter, a remote control, a cleaning tool, and 2 extra mop pads. To set up the device, you need to download the Dreametech app on your smartphone and connect the device to your Wi-Fi network. You can also link it to your Amazon Alexa for voice control. The app allows you to monitor the battery level, the cleaning status, the cleaning history, and the map of your home. You can also adjust the suction power, the water flow, the cleaning mode, and the cleaning schedule. The device supports 4 cleaning modes: sweep only, sweep and mop, and wash and dry. You can choose the mode that suits your floor type and cleaning needs. Next, let's talk about the performance and features of the Dreametech W10. The device has a powerful suction of 4,000 pascals, which is higher than most robot vacuums on the market. It can pick up dust, dirt, hair, and debris from carpets, hardwood floors, tiles, and other surfaces. It has a large dust canister of 15 fluid ounces, which can hold more dirt and reduce the frequency of emptying. The device also has a dual rotating mop system that can scrub and polish your hard floors. It has a water tank that can spray water or a cleaning solution on the floor, and 2 mop pads that can wipe and dry the floor. The device has a self-cleaning and drying system that can rinse and dry the mop pads automatically after each cleaning cycle. This prevents bacteria and odor from the mopping pads and extends their lifespan. The device also has a smart navigation system that uses a camera and a LiDAR scanner to map your home and plan the optimal cleaning route. It can avoid obstacles, stairs, and carpets when mopping. It can also resume cleaning from where it left off after recharging. The device has a battery life of up to 210 minutes, which is enough to clean a large house. The device can also be controlled by a remote control or by voice commands through Amazon Alexa. You can start, stop, pause, resume, or dock the device with a simple voice command. Finally, let's talk about the pros and cons of the Dreametech W10. The pros are: it can sweep, mop, wash and dry your floors in one device. It has a powerful suction of 4,000 pascals and a large dust canister of 15 fluid ounces. It has a dual rotating mop system that can scrub and polish your hard floors. It has a self-cleaning and drying system that can rinse and dry the mop pads automatically. It has a smart navigation system that can map your home and plan the optimal cleaning route. It has a long battery life of up to 210 minutes. It can be controlled by an app, a remote control, or Amazon Alexa. The cons are: it is noisy. It is not compatible with Google Assistant or Siri. It may not be able to clean some corners or edges due to its round shape. So, is the Dreametech W10 robot vacuum cleaner and mop worth buying? Well, that depends on your budget and your cleaning needs. If you are looking for a smart device that can do multiple tasks and save you time and effort, then the Dreametech W10 may be a good option for you. It can sweep, mop, wash and dry your floors with its advanced features and technology. It can also be controlled by an app or Amazon Alexa, and it has a long battery life. That's it for our review of the Dreametech W10 robot vacuum cleaner and mop. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews. Thank you for watching and see you next time.
Bye!